Why do some students remember information easily, while others forget it within hours? Why do certain teaching methods work brilliantly, while others fall flat? The answer lies in cognitive psychology, the science of how the mind processes information. Welcome back to Psych Academy, where we decode the human mind to help you learn better, teach smarter, and understand human behavior on a deeper level. Today, we're exploring cognitive psychology in education and how it transforms learning inside classrooms. What is cognitive psychology? Cognitive psychology studies how people think, learn, remember, and solve problems. It focuses on mental processes such as memory, attention, perception, problem-solving, language, decision-making. In education, cognitive psychology helps teachers understand how students actually learn, allowing schools to create more effective teaching methods. How the brain processes information. Cognitive psychologists believe learning happens through information processing, similar to how a computer works. It involves three key stages: encoding, taking in information; storage, keeping it in memory; retrieval, bringing it back when needed. Teachers who understand these stages can help students learn faster and retain information longer. The power of attention in learning. Attention is the gateway to learning. Without attention, nothing enters memory. Cognitive psychology shows students learn best with focused attention. Multitasking reduces learning performance. Classroom distractions can weaken memory. This is why effective teachers use techniques such as short, clear explanations, visual aids and demonstrations, breaking lessons into small chunks. Attention shapes how much students absorb. Memory techniques that boost learning. Cognitive psychology has revealed powerful memory strategies that dramatically improve learning. These include spaced repetition, reviewing information over increasing time intervals; active recall, retrieving information instead of rereading; chunking, grouping information to reduce cognitive load; elaborative rehearsal, connecting new info with what students already know. Teachers who use these methods see higher retention and better grades. Cognitive load theory. Avoid overloading the mind. The brain can only process a limited amount of information at once. Cognitive load theory explains three types of load: intrinsic load, the difficulty of the content; extraneous load, unnecessary distractions; germane load, energy used to build understanding. Great teachers reduce extraneous load so students can fully concentrate on learning. Metacognition. Teaching students to think about thinking. Metacognition helps students become independent learners. It includes self-awareness, planning learning tasks, monitoring understanding, adjusting strategies. When students learn how their mind works, they take control of their learning. Problem-solving and critical thinking. Cognitive psychology explains how humans solve problems using prior knowledge, pattern recognition, logical reasoning. Classrooms that encourage questioning, exploration, and analysis create stronger thinkers. Language, reading, and comprehension. Cognitive psychology helps teachers understand how language develops, how reading skills form. Why some students struggle with comprehension. This allows for early detection of reading difficulties and more effective literacy teaching. Cognitive psychology revolutionizes education by showing how the mind learns best. When teachers understand attention, memory, problem-solving, and cognitive load, they can transform classrooms into powerful learning environments. If you enjoyed today's breakdown of cognitive psychology, hit like, subscribe, and follow Psych Academy for more videos that make psychology simple, practical, and impactful.